Today, in this video, we will be playing Call of Duty Mobile again. I kind of want to show y'all a few things in this one. For a fact, did you know you could actually get a helicopter in these tunnels?
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start.
You hit a lot of stuff, but you can.
Time for the mission.
So today, I think I'm going to jump at farm. Just because there's something there I want to show y'all. My lovely viewers.
Gather around.
That was a weird voice.
Here we go.
I know that y'all don't know what I'm about to do. That involves a mountain. Because, like, I don't think anybody thought of that. Oh, crap. I have just a grenade. Anybody want a piece of me? To start. Yes! I don't think anybody jumped that farm today.
First blood.
If you don't grab... I think you already know this, but the cluster grenade, it actually sticks. It doesn't roll around, it sticks to what it hits. I need a motorcycle, not an assault vehicle. Well, I guess we could do it with this. Alright, so... we gotta get up this hill. That's the only hard part about it. This is what we're about to do. It took no damage from that fall. That's not what happened when I was on the motorcycle, but that was a motorcycle. Okay, not getting back in that death trap. I don't really like shotguns just for the fact that they take like 1,000 shots to kill somebody. I mean, if they took...
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
If it only took like one shot to kill somebody with it, I would be okay. I need some health. I once was in the Battle Royale and there was somebody with that super sniper rifle and I was sitting right here and they killed me. I was so aggravated.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Because that wasn't even really fair that he got to shoot me through the window.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Enemy down!
Enemy down.
Oh crap! They got people on them.
Changing mag.
I think he's coming back.
Reloaded.
It's kind of scary when you don't know what they're gonna do.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Alright, so.
Reloaded. Cover me.
Crap.
Changing mag.
Return to the battle.
Well, that's the end of this video.